370Z now is in its 11th year of production, and it hasn't changed much since it replaced the 350Z for 2009. In the United States, where sales of sports cars have slowed, Z sales dropped to just 4,614 units in 2017. In the 370Z it displaces 3.7 liters, has an 11.0:1 compression ratio, and spins to 7,500 revolutions per minute. Power peaks at 7 grand, and it makes 270 pounds-to-feet of torque at 5,200 revolutions per minute. There's also plenty of torque right off idle, which makes the Z easy to drive around town. The 6-speed is geared short with tight ratios, so the V6 never falls off its power band if you don't want it to. Even out on the highway at 80 miles per hour in 6th, the engine is revving at more than 3,000 revolutions per minute. Passing rarely requires a downshift. The 370Z also has an oil temperature gauge, which is unusual these days, and a shift light that starts flashing red at 7,000 revolutions per minute. Its pedal placement is perfect for heel and toe downshifts. The interior is screwed together well, although the seats could use a little more thigh support, and the base model is thin on features. Missing modern amenities include an infotainment screen and driver aids such as blind spot monitoring. The chassis, which is fortified with a 3-point front strut tower brace and a bar across the cargo area, feels solid, even over bumpy bits. And the Nissan's balance is right despite having 55.2% of its 3,327 pounds over its front tires. The Nissan's open differential is another issue. Turn off the car's stability control system and the inside rear tire spins coming out of tight corners.